13 months and 1 day. When she keeps falling, I don't know why. Here's Bubba for the pram. Yeah, Bubba's going in the pram. Yeah. Yeah, Bubba. Good night. Oh, no, Bubba's head first on the top. Yeah, Bubba's now asleep. Take Bubba for a walk. Hello, Bubba. Bubba's head first in the pram. She's going to make a good mother one day. She's not happy with Bubba's position. Oh. Oh, can't go shopping without the label. Just got to pull the safety protecting corners off. Mia, come on. Mia, where's your handbag? Mia, where's your handbag? Yeah, there. Can you bring Mummy your handbag? Where's your handbag? There's the handbag. She's a bit confused by this dress she's wearing today. Oh yeah, there's your handbag. Oh, thank you. Thank you, yeah. What's in your handbag? What's inside? Oh! 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 What's inside your handbag? Oh! What's inside? You show us. What's inside? What can you see in there? Where's your papa? Where's your papa? Can you bring me your papa? Now that I have your handbag? Take your handbag to Papa. Take your handbag to Papa. No? You going somewhere else instead? Bye. I don't know what she's trying to do. Minky. Yeah.